Hi everyone, in today's video we will see what is US Mobile's Darkstar and how to get it. US Mobile offer all the three major carriers with Teleportal. What is US Mobile's Darkstar? Darkstar is a new network offering by US Mobile which provide access to the AT&T network. This initiative allows US Mobile to offer coverage on all the three major US carriers including Verizon and T-Mobile, enhancing its service offering significantly. Features of Darkstar: coverage and connectivity. Darkstar promises unmatched coverage and seamless connectivity, leveraging the extensive reach of AT&T network. Priority data. Users get a priority data upgrade which ensure better data speed and service quality. International roaming. The network will soon support international roaming in over 100 countries. How to get Darkstar? You need to Darkstar option while activating the line on US Mobile account. What is US Mobile giveaway? Exciting news. US Mobile is throwing a super carrier sweepstakes to celebrate 10 incredible years and the launch of Darkstar. One lucky winner will drive home a Tesla Cybertruck and enjoy 6 months of unlimited premium service. Step 1. Activate US Mobile line on a paid plan. You need to buy a US Mobile paid plan and activate it before September 30, 2024. Keep the broad plan active till they announce the winner on the Cybertruck on Monday, December 2, 2024. Step 2. Post on the social media. On the social media, give your estimate on how many SIM cards are in the kid pool in the video. You can post your answer by accessing the US Mobile page. Scroll down, you will see the link for active US Mobile social media accounts. Step 3. Fill the form. You have to submit an entry form including required details and submit it. Enter your login credentials to create the account and follow the form. If you have an account already, click on the sign in to submit the form. Follow the login credentials. You need to select the social media platform where you posted the answer. Agree on the terms and click on enter now. How to get Darkstar? Early access. Initially, early access to the Darkstar was offered for $129, which include perks like a year of QCI 8 upgrade, a dedicated network banner, and a limited edition starter kit, and a personalized North Face fleece. However, these early access kits sold out quickly. Public availability. After the early access period, Darkstar became available to general public starting 1 August 2024. Sweepstakes entry rules and legal considerations. No purchase necessary. Equal opportunity. You do not need to make any purchase or payment to enter or win. All entries will have an equal chance of winning, regardless of whether a purchase is made. Legal compliance. This rule complies with regulation designed to prevent sweepstakes from being classified as lottery, which are subject to stricter legal requirements. Void where prohibited. Jurisdictional restrictions. The sweepstakes may not be able in certain areas due to local law. It is important to check if your location allows participation. Binding legal contract. Acceptance of rules. By entering the sweepstakes, you agree to abide by the official rules, which forms a binding legal contract between you and the sponsor. Read carefully. It's essential to read and understand these rules before participating to ensure you are aware of your rights and obligations. Indemnification. Responsibility. You may be required to indemnify the sponsor and other parties involved in the sweepstakes. This means you agree to compensate them for any loss or damage that arise from your participation. Waiver of rights. Class action waiver. By entering, you waive the right to participate in any class action law related to the sweepstakes. Jury trial waiver. You also waive the right to a jury trial, which means any legal disputes will not be decided by a jury. Mandatory binding arbitration. Dispute resolution. Most disputes arise from the sweepstakes will be resolved through mandatory binding arbitration. This is a private process where an arbitrator rather than a judge make the final decision. Efficiency and privacy. Arbitration is often faster and more private than court proceeding, but it also limits certain legal resources.
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.